This is how to get hair like David Beckham. Today we're going to be delving into everything you need to achieve that iconic side part hairstyle, channeling the effortlessly suave vibes of David Beckham himself. We'll walk you through what to discuss with your barber, which products to use, and how to nail the styling. This hairstyle is guaranteed to command attention, even if you're not as globally renowned as Mr. Beckham. So who is David Beckham? A football legend turned style icon and now owner of Inter Miami soccer team. Beckham's not only known for his impeccable skills on the field, but also his impeccable sense of style and of course, his enviable locks. He's experimented a lot with his hairstyle over the years, but the classic side part hairstyle is the one he always comes back to, and for good reason. It's a timeless hairstyle that's as versatile as it is stylish. Alright, so you've chosen the classic side part as your new style as well. Solid choice. Now here's what you need to do to make it happen. Step 1, the cut. David Beckham's side part hairstyle epitomizes timeless sophistication and versatility. But here's the kicker. David rocks a taper, not a fade. So when you hit the barber's chair, be crystal clear. You want a taper with defined edges. This ensures a seamless transition between the lengths, giving you that clean and polished finish. Now, keep some length up top, about 3 inches or so. This cut doesn't stand up straight, so you'll need that length to create that signature swoop-in side part effect. Think of it as the foundation for your Beckham-inspired hairstyle. Finally, ask your barber to identify your natural part. It's important that you don't force a side part in a certain direction, or you risk ending up with a look that feels awkward and unnatural. Pro tip. If you really want to accentuate the part, ask your barber to straight razor it in. Not only does this give the part some real definition that makes your side part stand out from the rest, but it's also going to help you hold the part longer as your hair starts to grow back, making styling this one a total breeze in between trips to the barber. If you're still unsure what to ask, consider bringing reference photos of David Beckham to guide your barber and ensure you get that desired look. Just make sure you choose the right hairstyle. Step 2, styling. Before using styling aids, let's lay the groundwork for success. If you're aiming to rock David Beckham's iconic side part, you need to start with the right foundation, and that begins with your shampoo. Before even reaching for any styling aids, prioritize boosting your natural volume with a shampoo packed with biotin. Here's the deal. If your hair is naturally fine or thinning, achieving this hairstyle might feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, because our volume shampoo is a game changer. Formulated to give your hair more definition and strength, it sets the stage for effortlessly stylish locks reminiscent of David Beckham himself. Now with the foundations in place, you want to opt for products that achieve a polished yet relaxed look that suggests minimal effort but maximum impact. Start by applying a pre-styler such as sea salt spray to damp hair, then taking a straight comb, define your part by brushing the longer side of your part over and then the shorter side of your part down. Next, hit it with a hairdryer angle upward while brushing your hair in the direction of your side part, and this will enhance natural texture and provide a subtle lift once your hair dries, creating the perfect foundation for your style. But here's where the magic happens. Finish off with a dime-sized amount of putty. This versatile product offers a low shine, high hold finish, ensuring your style stays put all day long. Work the putty through your hair, focusing on defining the side part and adding structure to your look. If you're looking for a cleaner side part, take the comb to add definition, or if you're looking for a more natural look, simply use your fingers to style in place. So there you have it. With the dynamic duo of sea salt spray and putty, you can effortlessly achieve the textured, voluminous side part that David Beckham is known for. Head to your barber with Beckham photos at the ready, grab the 2 amazing products listed down below, and you'll be well on your way to bending it like Beckham.